Aerok 8040 is a two-component structural epoxy adhesive. It forms a high-strength and durable bond with most metals and composites. An extended open time of around 90 minutes allows to reposition materials when bonding. It is available in 50ml, 200ml and 400ml cartridges, as well as bulk packaging. Extended open time, high strength, and excellent weathering resistance. It is rigid, it can take too long to reach full cure, and it often requires surface preparation. Is Aerok 8040 the right adhesive for you? If you need a high-strength structural adhesive that remains durable in harsh conditions and also has an extended open time, then Aerok 8040 is the perfect fit for you. If you want a faster curing adhesive or a product that has more flexibility, then you are best off looking at other structural adhesive products from Forgeway. If you want to find more technical information about Aerok 8040, please download the datasheet.